Okay, we should be good. So today, so you might have seen in my Discord I can actually pull up the Game Banana page right now. Why is my webcam so shaky? I think I'm there. That's slightly better. And actually pull up the GitHub page here. I put a link in the description of the stream, but I'll put a link in the chat right now. And I pinned it there. So if anyone wants to play that I actually got an amazing opportunity to write a song for the mod. So I figured since I need to do that anyway, you couldn't see the you can see the mod in when I have the. It looks like if it'll load. it looks like this. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is make a visualizer, and I actually have taken the opportunity to actually organize the assets and get all the stuff that would either take way too long on stream. By that, like, okay, I do something weird with the way I like to work is I don't for my visualizers, I use FL Studio only for. I use the Z Game Editor visualizer only for stuff like this, like just this reactive display. So I can do the rest in like DaVinci Resolve, or I've used Vegas Pro at one point. Sorry. And there are, if you haven't played it, there are 4 characters in the song. So I'm gonna lay. Can I should be able to change the color to clip color. Here we go. We'll make that. This is Metal Sonic. Like there's Sonic, Shadow, Metal Sonic, and Eggman. So I'm going to make these as close as I can. Where is Sonic? There he is. Sonic and Shadow. So we need to first. I'm gonna leave the clips unlinked for. Like I want to do something that I did in Petrifying Gaze, and a lot of people like that video, so I'm gonna do it here. Where are they're up there. Is like I actually have the different. I have the character sprites, and what I'm going to do is focus each of them during like whoever's singing. So we need to. Oh, that's loud. So I think this is the most layers I've ever worked with in DaVinci Resolve. And what I am gonna do first, though, create a new tile it background, just so I can more easily organize. Well, I mean, I guess I could like composite it down to, but yeah, I'm so. And now I need to figure out what the order of everything is. So I know. So these are on the right layer. This needs to be down. Buildings far. I'm assuming that, like, yeah, this is a background. Yeah. The clouds go up. Zoom in the sky since it's not cropped right. Zoom these in, move that up. Thank you. Can I move? The clouds look better when they're behind. They're behind the foreground buildings. So we're gonna move this down here, and there is a. Actually, I think the tree might get in the way. I'm going to bring in the song just so I can extend these. Gonna mute the track just so I can extend these out to the full length, so I don't have to copy paste a bunch. Now rename this to main. Main, if I could spell. So now, where did the background time? There's the background time. So then we unlink. Then I don't want to overwrite anything. So now comes the interesting part. The way I, like, you see, like, you can't see the backgrounds, right? Well, that's because, like, the way, like, I don't know if FL Studio can do this, but MP4s do not. Like, there is actually a video format that has transparency in the background, and I don't know if FL Studio can export that from their like, it's an AVI. An AVI file can hold transparency. The problem is it's very, very, like, the files are huge. Now I'm gonna need to. I don't know how to use DaVinci Resolve. Copy. I think I should just be able to paste. I think I should just be able to do this. Paste attribute. Okay, well, I need to mute these tracks for. Paste attributes. Yes. Okay, there we go. Might need to fiddle around with the settings just a bit, just so I can matte finesse. So I can get these really stray black pixels. There. Hello. There. That was easy. Oh, I'm gonna need to put this. We're going to need to go into the background timeline. Have this go. Let this go in front of the ground. Because yeah, that looks good. That looks better than what I had. And then we go back to main. I don't know why I played it. If I regard. All right, I don't know. Wait, where? Oh, I kept the vocals in so to make things easier. That's why the acapella. That's why it's loud. So we're gonna mute. Okay, so this matte finesse, clean the blacks. Then we're gonna copy the. Where is? Oh wait, yeah, no, it's just straight copy. And then paste attributes. That should be fine. Up there. Hey, it worked. So now Sonic and Shadows need to be on here where, and I rotated it, and it's rotated the right way. Oh. Oh, that is, oh, it is struggling to play. So I might have to disable some things later. I want the low end on the at the bottom of the screen. So these will have to go negative 90, and this should be negative 1 unless can you no, oh I can flip it. Okay. What do I 684, so these should be negative 684. Now color, yeah, like yeah, shadow's underrated in the whole FNFC. Color compressor, there. Now we do this. This is a really cool effect Resolve has that I use as a very quick and dirty colorize. I don't know exactly how it works, but I'm assuming like what I use it for is because it like it says it's a color compressor. It compresses all the color. Like I'm assuming it works like a map range in Blender, where if you have a target, it just squishes the range to the target color. And since I have it maxed out, it's on the yeah. So I have it maxed out. It will only let it be on. It'll only let it be blue. All right, where? Oh, like Resolve is okay. Resolve is a good software. I just really don't like how the navigation works. Okay. And then we'll have shadows be a maroon. I don't think I have Sonic and Shadow Duet. Yeah, no. Okay, was that the? I have it at the end. Yeah, that looks fine. Do metal as a bit like brighter blue. And see how. Oh wait, no, I'm grabbing the visualizer, the instrumental visual. Yeah, we'll just flatten that out to 800, not 8,000. And then these two be at negative 800. See how laggy. Let's see how laggy this is. Oh wow, it does not want to play at all. So we'll unmute this. We can now just mute these. Where? See, I want to do a like it, since there's a I'm just gonna disable these for now. There's a there's this there's a chord stab here. I think I'm gonna have it go to just go here. Okay, so now, like, see, this is where the normal visualizer will start. Now I want to see. Oh, what in the background? What? So go to the background. Oh yeah, it's muted. So where? Oh, there it is. So now we have now there's like no visualizer for the whole of the intro portion is what I'm calling it. So, but I'm going to work on the, what did I just do? Oh yeah, save is important. I haven't saved for a while. Okay, so now get Eggman. Metal doesn't come until later, so I don't need to set that up until. Actually, no, I'll set up his pose. Oh, what do I mean? You don't like DaVinci Resolve when it comes. Okay. So I will move these here. No, we don't want. So zoom these, get these two. Shadow. Move Shadow over here. Sonic over here. Bring the scale down a bit. 0.89. Actually, yeah, no. I'm doing that is the right. Oh, 0.89. Oh, what? That is. Oh, is it because the Eggman's bigger? He has a. Oh, that is weird. So we'll move Metal over here and Egg. No, there we go. I already have them in the thing. So now. Oh wait, and Shadow. I just realized Shadow isn't on the ground. So say we shrink them. See, like I forget, like it's gonna. I forget, like when I'm working on a video, I forget that it's going to be more so like this big rather than the size I'm working at. So, see, like this makes it a lot easier. I think I can justify them being a bit smaller on the screen. Where is? Okay, I really don't like that Resolve doesn't let you just click into the viewport to select things. Like that works like that in every other app. Why do I need to click on why do I need to click on the layer in order to select? Like I get if it's like I kind of get if like say I couldn't like I can't select in this range, but I should be able to just click on the layer. Anyway. So I'm going to bring the Eggman's visualizer back here. So I think to make my life easier, I should focus on. I think to make my life easier for the visualizer at least, I'm going to see if I can do the fade in, fade out on one character. and then just copy paste the keyframes to the rest of the rest of the cast. Now, do we have is there a curves node in I think the color compressor is the only one you can actually do this on. So we drop the color compressor there. We make this fully black. Where is the... Oh, it just takes a while to update. And then we can just key the... we can just key the opacity of this from full to 0.25. Oh. Yeah, no, I'll do full. I'll do full and then just go. There. Yeah, that works really well. So now go here. Then turn it off there. Where is it? Oh, I hate the keyframe. I hate the keyframe editor in DaVinci Resolve. Like, they supposedly made it better in version 20, and now I can't find... Where is it? Do I need to... Oh, is this a okay, this isn't a fusion effect, so I don't need to go to fusion for that. So, where is it? Where are the keyframes? Display. Oh, they're invisible. That would. Oh, display parameters with keyframes. There we go. That needs to be. Like, okay, if you like this, like the keyframe editing in DaVinci Resolve is literally the only thing. Is literally the only thing that that is keeping it from a full-on recommendation. Like, it is that bad. Now I need to find the audio. All right, where is the... Where is... Okay, so can I... Okay, that's another thing. You can cut and paste, but you can't copy and paste. Where is... Nice. Okay, so... Can you... Oh my... So... I really hope this is just me being stupid. And not they actually... You can't... Is legitimately the worst video... Like, video editing... The keyframe set I've ever used. So it is... I feel like I'm missing something. And this doesn't help. Like there is a duplication option. So instead of like going through that entire hassle, I'm just going to solo out this bit. And then because it moves with the keyframes. There. I'm going to line these up later. So copy, then we're going to paste attributes. No. Oh. Wait, cancel. We're going to paste the attributes. No, just the plugins. Okay, so we do this. There's the play. I'll check it. I'll check the Discord after the stream. So then we move this to that's this. And then first we're gonna copy, move those back. To that there. I actually, something random was calling me. I actually can't align me if I like. I really hope I'm just missing something and the keyframe editor in Resolve is actually it is actually pretty good. I'm just like, you know, like I'm just like, I guess impressed isn't really the right word. It's just I guess I'm floored that that the thing everyone recommends has such a glaring basic issue. So I'm just going to I'll fix these later. I'll fix these once I get to it. Now for shadow. Move that over there. Oh, what? Let's do that. That. I'll do metals first since he's over here at the end. So and then just move egg. Oh, what the? Move that over there, just so I don't have to. Just so I don't have to like continually repeat the same action. I did have this part where and yeah, that's where metal comes in. Now I just need to fix the keyframe timing. Yeah, this should be good. Pull this out, move. Move this back over here. That's a frame off. Move this over there, do that. Do that. So like I've got to be missing something because you can like the ability like with this editor because like you can cut but you can't paste like why like you could do that in the old editor that they allegedly fixed. I'm sorry I'm complaining a lot. It's just this is a really it's a really frustrating issue. It's like I realize I'm sitting a lot in silence. So hold on, I'm going to put some like low me up and going to put on the playlist just so y'all can just so y'all just don't see me just in the gamer lean in silence. We'll turn this up. There. I'm gonna mute the music track for now. That goes there. Wait, what did I just do? Move that over there. Okay, there he is. Oh, I really hope I didn't. Yes, I did. I screwed up the position of someone's keyframes. So there's that. Yeah, with Sonics. So that's fixed. that over there. Wait, have I been doing it wrong this whole time? I'm going to need to go back and check. Like, and now we're on metal. I don't think we need these for this for the first appearance. Don't need a fade in for the first appearance. Oh, what'd I just do? Edit. Redo. Redo. Okay. So there's that. So there's that. And I'm almost done with the basic organization of the. That might be a bit, the music might be a bit too loud. So move this. Like, I'm actually, no, I'm looking this up. DaVinci Resolve 20. Copy and paste keyframes. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't like. I'll look into it later because I don't want to just like have you guys see a static screen with just me reading like some Reddit thread. Do this. This. Yeah, we're almost done with the this part of the video anyway. that over. Well, first we're gonna extend these out. And then do this. For some reason, it made shadow go all the way over here. Oh, that is weird. I don't. Did I just not fix these? No, I did. Now we just need to extend these out. And like this is the easiest part. Okay. This, make sure. Oh. Oh, hair in my eye. Mm. Okay. I think we're going to extend this out. And position. And then not the zoom. Bring that and like that. And then wait. You can copy in this editor, but not the other one. Oh. No. Okay, then we do this. Yeah, that is way too slow. Yep. Save that. All right, now. Yeah, we don't need a fade in for those. Just move these along. Forgot to bring shadow from over there. Wonder if I delete, what happens if I delete? Oh, you can't. So do this. Oh wait, no, Eggman doesn't need to be. Like that's the end of the Eggman like singing part. That's what I was. I'll zoom in a bit just so I can make my life easier. Nope. Okay, and now, just so I can easily do the, just so I have a very, like, cheap, like, I have a cheap trick for doing fade outs and fade ins. If the entire track, if, like, it's an intro and outro fade out, I do something like this, where instead, since transparency and it shows up as black on footage, I just do a fade to black. Like, alright. So now alright. So, and the things are getting crowded here. Since I did all the animation. Alright, we'll make sure these are all lined up with the thing. So do this as a just we'll do the need that needs to be shorter. Oh. Oh wait, no, that is actually too quick. And then we'll just alt drag this over. Do that. Yeah, that looks fine. Yeah, that looks great. Now what I'm gonna do is shorten these all to like 2 frames, and just as a like, yeah, I'm going to put an epilepsy warning before, or like on the first one, and because it stays a while, there. There, and then move these up. Yep, there we. Okay, now where is the text? Just want basic text. We just vid text, I guess. I don't know. This to say I don't know. Hope you and enjoy. Yeah, that on a single line thing looks way better. And where there is the have the okay, I have like the fonts for see, like normally I would use like a Century Gothic, but I've recently switched to Gill Sans, which like a Century. Okay, I'll show you why I'll show you why I stopped using Century Gothic as opposed to Gill Sans. Let's see, go here and bold. If I can. Oh wait, now that looks fine. For some reason on like Affinity Photo, see if I can bring it up. Photo. Hope this does not crash anything. In fact, I'm going to save. Where is the save? Save project. Save project just in case. So I just saw the name of the font file and I think I was looking it up wrong. Yep. Is this? Yeah, there's only. Oh, you enjoy. Going to. The stroke border outside only makes it more legible. Size. Let's see if can we give it a. Okay, you can't increase the outline length. All right, now where did I put the I have the logo for the I want to find I'm gonna find a place to put the. I have the. Oh yeah. I have the this is the mod team's logo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna crop out instead of going into Affinity and specifically just masking out and cropping it. I'm going to just do quick and dirty crop, move the anchor point to the center. What's the anchor point to the center of the so it zooms in nicer. So let's see, this is the epilepsy warning text right here. It should just have warning. Yeah. You can just wait, do I have the okay, I just have a random epilepsy warning PNG. It's not the one I thought I had. but it works, so I can just warn this. So this should be red. This should 1000% be red text. We'll just move this up. Shrink it down a bit. Move it up. We'll just copy this over. This video. Panes, flashing lights. view it is advised. That is way too big. We'll move this down. I don't know if that font. I'm not feeling that font for this kind. For like, okay, yeah, that's a much better like legibility font. And I do want to do no, you wouldn't be able to see it. You wouldn't be. Where is the logo? Going to move this. Insert another track. So I'm feeling either the mod team logo or the mod logo itself. So my idea of here is like move this up and try and minimize the track count as much as I can. Do that. Do move this. Present. Set this as present. Then we'll move it down. Oh, hey! Glad you can. Hey, like directors in chat, guys. Yeah. Oh, now while you're here, like I'm feeling either like something to do with the logo up here, logo here, or the. And that is off center, I'm now realizing. So, where is my media grids? Where are can I? Okay, I'm guessing because, oh, there we go. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm feeling either there's an epilepsy warning for this flashbang specifically, and I have either I'm feeling either this or actually no, this feels more like something that should be over here. Just arbitrarily in the corner. I'll mess around. Yeah, I like it in the corner. So probably gonna put the song title there above or below it. So this, and now we get the song title. So there's there we go. And now I need something here. Oh, yeah, I have an idea. this. Modeling in description. That. And it's lagging because my. Let's see, what is being mostly? Oh yeah, my GPU spikes. The GPU is spiking. Resolve does not like that. Save. You know, I'm going to reset these. Is because there's a method to my madness. Unless it'll allow. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't make sense. I was gonna just compress these both into their own their own special DaVinci Resolve. You can merge layer, you can compress layer, you can compress media items into one layer. I was thinking, oh, what if they let me extend it out? But it didn't make sense to do that. Can I spell? Why? And there is a hair in my eye. So make this small. We'll just extend this out to for the duration of the song. Going to move this out just in case. And then that is legitimately it's legit. Then new compound clip, logo, watermark. And now I can just zoom out and just put it down here. There, and now I'm gonna need and now when, like I always do, there's composer. And these guides are getting in my way. Oh wait. I have an add track just in case. Decompose them. Oh, because of course it doesn't. I was okay. That's the wrong one. Forgot about the outline. So yeah, that works. There it is. Move this over. Resolve is great, but sometimes it gives me a headache. So, yeah, that's small. Do this and then move that down. There we go. Need to make. It would be nice to actually select my name. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, that is copy, paste, then put a negative sign. That didn't work. what I can do is I can align it on the align it vertically. There we go. Color compressor. What I'm gonna do is do that so we can make the logo just nah, that doesn't look good. Make it slightly smaller though so it doesn't distract too much from the video. Now where is the did I overwrite the fade out? I think I overwrote the fade out. Solid color. Nah. For some reason it's working smoothly now, which scares me, which it shouldn't scare me, but like it does. Okay. Oh, because it didn't have to render on top of everything. That makes more sense. Now we have, this is almost, I am almost done with this. So what I'll do, and because I have like if I'm good with editing, we might have a double feature this week on both this main channel and the music channel. So and I'm gonna need to shrink that down. Oh wow. Oh. Okay. We're going to then move this up, add on. Then put this in. Just well. There, that's, and we need to extend this out. Yeah, if you ever need a really, here's something cool. Something I figured out when editing. If you're doing a fade out, like a fade out, fade in, like this, so you can easily align the clips. I just split them because you can't fade more than, because it'll automatically stop you. And we're gonna want to see, we're at, that is 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Actually, we're going to make things easier. And then pull this to where, yeah, extend this out and then pull that back. And that is the video. That's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna do, what I'm gonna do is okay, so okay, so I think I said, so what I'm going to do is like render this out and then do one more or pass through off stream, so just to make sure everything looks good. And you should hopefully see that bump bump the mic. You should hopefully see that on the music channel this Saturday, as well as like if I can render quick enough, render and edit quick enough a new animation on this channel the same day. So you have that to look forward to, and I will see you next. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, bye bye.